Hello and welcome back to another Shopify tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you guys how to increase your page speed by optimizing images and resizing them all to the correct formats. Stay tuned. So welcome back. What we're going to be doing here is we're going to have this set of images, and right now they're a certain size format. Obviously, these are fairly formatted well. They're all the same image size and whatnot. But I'm just going to go through here and show you guys how I resize images and then I compress them so I can reduce the image size. So here's one. I'm just going to do a tutorial on how to crop everything. So I use resizeimage.net, and say if I were to click. So these are images here, as you can see. Oops. As you can see here, here's the image. And if I want to reduce the size of it, we could always make this 800 by 800, which will reduce it by, 33%. Yeah, as you guys can see, it's alright. So as you guys can see, I clicked normal compression, and we just downloaded the, let's take a look and see what it looks like. Perfect, and that looks pretty much the same. If you were to say, look at this one, and look at this one, they are pretty much the same. But it is 20 kilobytes smaller, about a little bit more than that. And now the next step we're going to do, if we're going to be uploading images that are compressed, is going to a website called TinyPNG. So as you guys can see here, it just says drop your PNG or JPEG files. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to drop in that image that we're going to download from the other page. So I downloaded the image from the online image resizer, and we're going to compress it. So as you guys can see, compress 44%, and we're going to download that. And then we're going to take a look and see the difference. So this is the compressed image, and this is the original. So I'm gonna put both up, and I want you guys to tell me which one do you guys think is compressed and which one is the original. Alright, so there's the two pictures side by side. As you guys can see, they're pretty much identical, but it's actually 44% more compressed, the one on the right. And that's pretty much all you got to do. If you have multiple images, you can just take all the images and just drop them all in here. And as you guys can see, it compressed the images quite a bit. So we got minus 37% compression all the way up to minus 50. And what that means is every time someone clicks on the page or clicks the product to load it, rather than using up 97 kilobytes, it's going to use 47 kilobytes and so on. So you guys can imagine how this compounds into a bigger website. If you got thousands of products or anything like that, anywhere in the 20 range products, your site speed's going to start slowing down, especially if you're showing more than 2 or 3 products at once on the same page. So you want to definitely be looking at that, and you want to be compressing all your images and making sure everything is optimized. Thanks for watching, and make sure that if you guys like the video, you guys hit a thumbs up and the subscribe button for me.